Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of No Budget Cinema. Now today we're going to be talking about this giant thing between my eyes. Now that we got that out of the way, today we're going to be talking about B-roll. This morning when I woke up, I knew that today was gonna be my day. I gazed outside of my window and I felt the light rolling in, touching my skin and just telling me, Stephen, you are beautiful. That you just saw was B-roll. Your A-roll is your main camera, which is filming the main subject and the main story, and B-roll is any supporting additional secondary footage that will just motivate the story further. It's anything you can add to it. B-roll gets shot in movies as well, for example. Like let's say Fast and Furious, you have Vin Diesel getting to the race. It's not just him in the car and you see his face and he pulls up and he parks there in the parking lot and now they like, hey, let's go race now. You first check a couple of ladies walking by and some dudes in their tank tops, just general crowd, cars, people, places, and then Vin Diesel rolls up. All of that is B-roll. So B-roll it plays an important role in the story you want to tell. So normally people shoot their own B-roll relevant to what they want to do, but it's not always the case because you might not have a very nice garden and you want to make a video about plants, but you live in the desert. So a person can't always shoot your own B-roll. What do? Well, you head over to stock sites. Now there are so many. There are places like Storyblocks, for example, where you can go and pay a subscription fee, but then you've also got free websites. Now one of my favorite free websites for stock videos and stock pictures is Pexels.com. I love Pexels because that's the first place I started using and I always got what I wanted and it was high quality. So I eventually became a Pexels contributor myself. So if you need B-roll, head over to Pexels and download whatever is relevant to the story you want to tell. You want to make sure it's relevant. You don't want to have random pictures about anything. For example, goats are such beautiful animals and they live such peaceful lives in the forest. You don't want to have something like that where the B-roll doesn't make any sense to what you're saying. And you also don't want to have somebody sitting here like this. So today I'm going to tell you a story about goats. Goats are them peaceful animals living them peaceful lives in the forest, on the farms. You don't want just a boring headshot of somebody talking. So you mix it up. You get relevant B-roll to what the person is talking about, to what they're describing, and you overlay that with them talking, and then you get something like this. Goats are such beautiful animals, and they live such peaceful lives in the forest. So isn't that much better? So B-roll is a very strong tool you can use. But yeah, that's a basic explanation of what B-roll is and how to use it in your videos. I'll give you one last example. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you can get notifications. It really helps me. I'll appreciate it. And then you will see more No Budget Cinema coming your way. See what I did there? Self-plug. But seriously though, I hope you learned something. And let me know in the comments, what are your favorite B-roll websites or stock footage websites? I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next episode. Why, Steve, why? Oh wait, this isn't SA Lockdown.
Why, Steve?
Do you want to see how I have improved over time? Check out SA Lockdown and then cringe yourself to death. You know what? I'm not gonna just leave like that. Let my logo play. Yes, look at my logo.